people voting back to the Congress. So.
The BJP is preparing to contest the Gambegre by-election independently, aiming to expand its influence in Meghalaya. Senior BJP leader and Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek confirmed that the state unit will move forward with this strategy, pending final approval from the party's central leadership. Hek expressed confidence in the party's ability to secure a win, despite concerns about the Hindutva narrative potentially affecting its prospects. He emphasized that the BJP's national presence and track record in northeastern states bolster its chances of victory.
Development, more project. At least if we have our own people there, then we can, tell the center also to give maximum whatever it will be possible through the state government for the development of not only Gambegre, but the whole state of Meghalaya. I'm telling you, BJP have their own identity. BJP is the country is ruling by BJP. In many northeastern states also is ruling by the BJP. What is wrong to get the one seat also in Gambegre if we work very hard? It depends only on the national leadership. If they come all together, we went on the state leadership, we campaign for our official candidate, and we will try our best to make it win.
Thieves broke